Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY, I'm going to start out with 2 of these gold frames from Dollar Tree, and I'll leave the SKU in the description. These should be really easy to find. I see them all the time, so hopefully you have them at your store if you like this DIY. So the first thing I want to do is get these open. So now I'm going to take some of my Gorilla Glue and put it right around the edge of the frame, right inside, because I'm going to glue the glass back in place. I'm going to add a little bit of weight to that just to weigh it down. So I'm going to put this frame aside for now, and I'll clean this off camera. Next up, I have these gold sticker feathers from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use these. But before I get started on those, I'm going to put down some parchment paper. Open this up. Okay, so we have 2 sizes and 2 styles to choose from. A large one and a small one like this, and then we have a large and small one like this. First thing I want to do is turn these over and remove these little tabs. Be as gentle as you can because you don't want to bend the leaf too much. I decided to go with 3 of the same design, so I have 2 of the smaller ones that curve, and then I have the larger one. Now I'll apply some Wicked Stick It to the back of each leaf. It looks a mess because it's really sticky, but this is what I'm going to use. You can also use some Mod Podge. I'm going to put a little bit in this cup, and then I'm going to brush it on in the back of each leaf. I'm going to pull this aside, and now I'm just going to put this glass right in the center. I've already cleaned it. I'm not going to glue it in place yet. I just want to get an idea where it belongs. And then I'm going to carefully place my leaves wherever I want them. And I'm just using a baby wipe. Some of the glue seeped around on the outside, so I want to clean that up. Take my next leaf, put it in place. You want to make sure that you get all the glue off your leaves and off your glass. I'm going to allow this to sit for about 10 minutes. I'm going to go over this with a dry cloth to make sure it is really shiny and then come back. Alright, so I went ahead and cleaned the inside of the glass really well. So now I'm going to take some more of my Gorilla Glue, and I'm just going to put some small dabs on there right where the frame is. You don't want the glue to be seen on the other side, so be really careful. Put this in place. So I'm going to allow this to dry for about 30 minutes, and then we'll come back and add the back. Off camera, I went ahead and put a small bead of hot glue in each corner. Really tiny. I went ahead and cleaned the outside of my glass as well. So now I'll take some more of my Gorilla Glue and a little bit of hot glue and go along the outside of my frame. And then I'm going to set this right on top. Finally, I'll glue the sawtooth hook on the back so that I can hang it on the wall. Add some hot glue. So now I'm going to allow this to dry, hang it on the wall, and let you guys see what it looks like. And here's my completed wall piece. I think it's simple but elegant. In a future video, I will address this piece, show you some different variations of it, and decorate this one even more. And by the way, these two items are available in silver as well. Okay everyone, this concludes my very first Fab 5 Friday DIY. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and check back tomorrow for an all-new DIY.